A huge day tomorrow for the Lori Vallow Daybell trial as opening statements begin.
News specialist Lauren Steinbrecher is in Boise, Idaho tonight at the Ada County Courthouse, sharing with us who we might see in court and how tomorrow will likely set the precedent for what's to come.
We expect the courtroom to be packed, those reservations filled up in just a few minutes. Our KSL legal analyst telling us that what we'll hear inside this courtroom will give us a good idea as to the witnesses that we'll hear from and the evidence that the prosecution plans to lay out against Lori Vallow Daybell. After an entire week of jury selection, perhaps now the biggest day so far in the Lori Vallow Daybell trial, opening statements. Prosecution will go first.
I think the prosecution's opening statement is going to be a very, very good roadmap,
says KSL legal analyst Greg Skordas, spending a few hours in the courtroom to map out the next several weeks to the jury.
They're going to lay out all their witnesses, and they'll probably lay them out in some order similar to how they intend to call them. We'll know the strength of the prosecution's case, and we'll know the theory of their case.
Skordas, who has extensive murder trial experience as both a prosecutor and defense attorney, explains the prosecution will lay out how they intend to prove every single one of the 7 counts Vallow Daybell's on trial for, beyond a reasonable doubt. From conspiracy and first-degree murder of her children, Tylee Ryan and Joshua J.J. Vallow, to conspiracy to commit murder of her husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell, to grand theft. For the defense, they don't have to give opening statements that first day. If they do, we may find out if they plan to call Vallow Daybell to testify.
If they say they're going to in their opening statement, that the jury will be waiting for her to testify.
We expect to see family members in court for this huge day, including Kay and Larry Woodcock. Judge Stephen Boyce appointed Kay as JJ's representative. They tell me they're looking forward to this first day. Opening statements will likely take up most of the day, Skordas says. After that,
and as soon as opening statements are done, it's time for the state to put on its case, and they'll call their first witness.
We have seats in that courtroom, and those opening statements begin at 8:30 a.m. Now, the jury will not be sequestered during this trial. In Boise, Idaho, Lauren Steinbrecher, KSL 5 News.
All right, thanks a lot, Lauren. Well, the KSL team will be in Boise for the duration of the Lori Vallow Daybell trial. As always, you can watch for updates right here on KSL TV and all our KSL platforms. And over on KSLTV.com, there's a great resource for anyone hoping to learn more background to follow along. Read the lead-up news coverage and learn about key players in the witness testimony.